training with a chest tear. So about 2.5 weeks ago, I tore my chest doing jiu-jitsu. It was really quite bad where I struggled actually getting out of bed and I couldn't really pick the baby up without any pain. Luckily for me, it has got better quite quickly. So now I can actually put a little bit of weight through it. Even on holiday messing around, it wasn't too painful, but I did struggle actually getting out the pool. I had to use the steps like an old man. But like I said, it's recovering now. So how I'm training now is trying to put a little bit of weight through the left side of my chest where the injury is, but I'm still trying to train super heavy on the right side. There has actually been quite a lot of research showing that if you train the opposite side to your injury to a good intensity, you will actually maintain muscle mass on the side where the injury is. So I'm still trying to get decent weight on my right hand side. The rest of the workout can be pretty similar to what I would do previously. I'm not getting too much pain through any shoulder exercises or arm exercises. The only thing that I do feel a little bit of pain on is if I go too heavy on a bicep exercise, it feels like it's pulling on my chest slightly. So I just have to reduce the weight and up reps on them exercises. Everything else is pretty good. Obviously there's no impact on my leg exercises, so I can still crush legs. But my advice would be, if you do have an injury, have a few days to sulk like I did, but then get straight back to it. Most exercises can be adapted. I've heard it too many times before where people have said, I've got an ankle injury, I've got an elbow injury, I've got a shoulder injury, and take 2 or 3 months off. Yes, your progress will suffer then. However, if you adapt your exercises, you can still get a lot done. If your goal is to grow muscle, you can grow other body parts. If your goal is to lose body fat, that's pretty simple, because the main thing with that is diet. So just make sure you're getting in the gym, getting some movement done to make sure that we're maintaining muscle mass, and you'll be absolutely fine.